In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import and apply presets in Adobe Lightroom, transforming your photos effortlessly. Presets are fantastic tools that can save you time by applying a specific style or look to your images with just one click, giving them a professional finish. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to download the preset bundle to your computer. Typically, these come as a zip file that may contain formats like .xmp or .lr template. If you haven't yet done this part, make sure you locate a reliable source for your presets. Once downloaded, keep track of where this file is saved because you'll need it shortly. With your presets downloaded, it's time to open Lightroom. When you have the application open, direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you're going to click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll select Import Profiles and Presets. This is the command that allows you to bring in your new presets. Now comes the part where we navigate to the zip file or to the unzipped folder containing your preset files. Pay attention as you navigate through your computer's file system to reach to the exact location where you stored your previously downloaded preset bundle. Once you find it, go ahead and select the file, then click the Import button. With the import successfully completed, you're ready to put your new presets to use. Look over to the left side of the screen while you're in the Develop module. You'll find the Presets panel there, where all imported presets reside. They should be neatly organized, ready for you to explore. Now, to see these presets in action, choose a photo you'd like to edit. Click on it, and then over in the Presets panel, simply click on one of your newly imported presets. You'll instantly see your image transform, reflecting the style and adjustments encapsulated in that preset. It's like magic. Watch your photo take on an entirely new life, all with a single click. And there you have it. I hope you find this tutorial straightforward and that it empowers you to expand your editing toolkit with ease. Presets are more than just a shortcut. They're a way to express creative vision without getting bogged down in endless manual adjustments. Enjoy experimenting with different styles and see how each preset can enhance your artistic expression. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!